In this video, we're going to learn how to use the calculator to evaluate logs. So we are going to start with an example, and then I'll teach you how to plug it in, and then I want you to try it yourself. Our first example is log base 7, 2.33. And so let's say that's equal to p. So really the problem we're trying to solve is 7 raised to some power is equal to 2.33. Now the log is the way that we can plug it into the calculator and figure that out. In the first video that you watched, we were dealing with a different expression, but we were trying to find that value, and we'll try that one here in a little bit. But basically, when we are entering these into the calculator, you are going to hit the math key, which is found underneath the green key, the alpha key. You're going to hit the math key, and you're going to go all the way down to log base. Now, if your inequality app is on, yours might not look like this, and then we'll need to turn our inequalities off. But basically, you hit enter there, and now we can plug it in. We have log, we have base 7. We're going to go over to the box in parentheses, and we're going to type in 2.33. We're going to hit enter, and so that is 0.435. So P is equal to 0.435. So really what this is saying is 7 raised to the 0.435 power is equal to 2.33. So we've just figured out what that exponent is, but using logs. Let's take a look at our example that we started with last time. Our last example was 2.3 raised to the x power is equal to 7. Well, in the last video, we learned to rewrite that into log form. So 2.3 was our base, x was our exponent, that's what we're looking for, and 7 is our answer. So if we were to take and put that in log form, we've got log base 2.3 of 7 equals x. So let's go ahead and plug that in our calculator. We did some trial and error to figure out what that was, but remember we're going to hit the math key underneath alpha. We're going to go down to logs underneath our summation, which we have been using. Hit enter. I'm going to type in our 2.3 and then go over to 7 and hit enter. And so x is actually equal to 2.336. So if I were to take 2.3 raised to the 2.336 power, let's try that. 2.3 raised to the 2.336 power. I get 6.998. So real close to my 7. So that's not equal to x. That's equal to 6.998. So we're real close. But that's how you plug it in. So let's write our keys out that we're using. We use the math key. And then we go down to where it says log base. There you go, calculator keys. I'd like you to put this in your notebooks along with all your other calculator things, the way we learned how to put in I, the way we learned how to put inequalities into your calculator. We have that calculator page in the front of your notebook. I'd like you to write this for logs, and that's how you enter a log, and it'll look like this when it comes up. So write that in your notebook. That sets you up for page 9. You're going to work on page 9, numbers 77 through 88. Let me know if you have any questions.